Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make keto chicken and potato. This is so freaking good. You are going to love it. Let's get right into the ingredients. So we have 3 chicken breasts. Season with salt and black pepper and also a little bit of red pepper flakes. We're gonna need 4 potatoes. 1 medium-sized onion, you can see right here, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're also gonna need 7 ounces of heavy whipped cream. Make sure it's heavy whipped cream. It makes a huge difference. And then we're gonna need 2 to 3 eggs. It all depends on the size of your egg. So just go by the size of your egg. If you have bigger eggs, use 2. If you have smaller eggs, use 3. And then we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of curry. Now this is optional to put the curry in there, but I love the flavor that it gives. So I always put it in there. Then we're gonna need 1 cup of Gruyere cheese. It's so freaking good. You can use cheddar cheese if you want, but trust me, try the Gruyere cheese. It is so delicious. And then 1 tomato. This is optional. If you don't like tomato, you don't have to put it in there. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna boil our potatoes. We want them to be soft so that we can easily mash them. So we're gonna boil them until they're soft and then we'll be right back. Okay, so while our potatoes are boiling, we're gonna dice up our onion and we're also gonna slice our chicken breast. Once that's done, we're gonna get a pan on low heat, pour our olive oil in there, pour a little bit more than 2 tablespoons because we're gonna need it to spread around in the pan, and then we're gonna put our onions in there and we're gonna saute our onions on low heat for about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna put our chicken in there and we're gonna continue to cook it on low for another 5 minutes. After that, we're gonna turn the heat off and we're gonna put our heavy whipped cream in there along with our seasonings, our red pepper flakes, our salt and our black pepper. Mix it all together and then we're gonna put our lid on top and we're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes on low heat. After our potatoes are done boiling, we're gonna put them in a bowl and then we're gonna smash them and then we're gonna add in our butter and we're gonna mix it all together. And if you like, you can add some salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so after our chicken has simmered, we're gonna turn the heat off. And then we're gonna put our mashed potatoes in the pan and we're gonna mix it all together. And then we're gonna top it with our cheese and then we're gonna put our eggs in there and we're gonna mix it all together. Now you want to keep mixing it until the cheese is completely melted, and then you want to turn the heat on low again and you want to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the eggs are set. And then we're gonna turn the heat off and then we're gonna add in our curry. Now if you're not a fan of curry, you don't have to put it in here. But I love the flavor that it adds. And then we're gonna mix it all together and then we're gonna serve it up. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, right? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.